Hey, yeah, today's video is on how to grow your natural hair overnight, growing an inch or 2 inches overnight. So please stick around.
Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. I do the beat, I give the beat, oh.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Neck Natural. How are you people doing? I hope everyone is doing good. I am here once again to do this hair hacks or hair challenge that many people have done on YouTube. I've watched several videos about growing your hair overnight and said, I think I have to try it. Maybe their hair texture or their hair type is different from my own. Let me know if this will work on my own type of hair, which is 4C hair. It's a challenge that I have given to my hair to see if they will add some 1 or 2 inches overnight, like they say on the videos that I have watched. So that is why I am here to do this challenge. I hope you find the video helpful. So if you have not yet subscribed, if this is my first video you're watching, please click on the subscribe button and be part of this family. And don't forget to click the bell button beside it so that you will be the first person to always get my uploads whenever I upload. So let's go into the tutorial to see how these 3 ingredients will grow my hair overnight. So before I go further into the mixing of the ingredients together and putting them on my hair, I would like to measure my hair to know the length of my hair before the treatment. Then I'll also measure after the treatment to know the result. So I have to bring out some hair from the back. I'm going to mark on it. So you will need 2 eggs. 2 eggs like this. I'm going to break it. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and this is extra virgin olive oil. Raw egg, I don't like the smell at all, but it's an experiment I want to carry out. So I'm going to apply it on my hair now. So after washing out the egg and the olive oil mixture, it's time for me to put the coconut oil. And I use the shampoo. After washing it, I use shampoo to shampoo my hair to make sure that, especially the eggs, they are all out of my hair. So it's time for me to put the coconut oil. So yeah. I will now melt it with a double boiler. So after putting the coconut oil, you massage your hair for like 10 minutes. Massage your scalp. So you take this and wrap it. With this you're going to carry it till morning. You're going to sleep with it. So you might as well tie it very well because you're going to lie on it. It's time for me to go to bed, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my hair the next morning after taking my breakfast. So I'm going to go wash the coconut oil out. My hair is soft. It's very soft. So the moment of truth is here. It's time for us to check if the length of my hair is going to pass the place I marked yesterday. So it's time for us to know if this challenge will grow your hair. So let's see the results. So yesterday I sectioned just a little bit of my hair from the back. This is where I marked, and my hair is passing it. My hair passed it. My hair passed it. Jeez, this thing really worked. Okay, let me check the other side too, if something happened this side too. Is this a miracle? Can we call this a miracle? This is where this one was yesterday. And you see, it passed it. This thing is really miraculous. What is so special about this treatment? What? They passed. Even here is even coming closer to be of the same length with this. Miracle just took place overnight on my hair. So, my people, this thing is working. It has worked on my hair, and I believe it's going to work on your own hair. Just give it a try. Try it. There's no harm in trying. But one thing you have to bear in mind when you're doing this kind of treatment, when you're doing this kind of challenge, is you're going to mess up some clothes, some things in your house, your bathtub, anywhere you're staying to do this is going to be in a mess. But I think it's worth doing it. I think I will try it. I will be trying it once in a while. So thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to us, to this family, because we are growing, we need support from you people. We need support. Support us in any way you can support us by clicking on the like button, by subscribing to our channel, and also clicking on the notification bell so that you always get my upload whenever I upload. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. So do have a lovely day, and may God continue to bless you. Bye-bye.